3, Paducah. In the left lane, 79 Camaro, Phil Curley in the right lane. Memphis, 55 Chevrolet Bel Air. Right lane stays up, waiting on the left lane engine up there. Here he goes, it stays. There goes the street. And the Camaro gets away quick. With a 6 at 104 on the Camaro at 761 with an 8 at 87 for the Bel Air. Right. Pickleton. I believe I'm saying that right. Pagoda, Tennessee. Not Bogota. Pagoda. 85 is hit over the left lane. Andy Howell in the right lane. Midland Springs, Louisiana. 74 Chevy Love. Look at him go. Little Love is on the run. There's about 69 with the 7 at 117, 733 for the left lane at 93 miles an hour. Jesse Campbell coming up in the left lane. Leon, I believe that is, Alabama. 90 Mustang. Then Gargas in the right lane for Millington at 17 Nova.